Before starting the alignment, make sure the vehicle is positioned correctly on the turnplates. The front wheels must sit freely on the turnplates so they can move without resistance during adjustments. Place the steering wheel leveling tool onto the steering wheel. Ensure the bubble level is exactly in the centre before proceeding. Once the steering wheel is perfectly level, clamp it securely using the steering wheel clamp. This prevents any movement while the alignment is being performed. Now apply the brake pedal depressor tool. Press the brake pedal firmly and lock it in position. This ensures the vehicle does not roll and keeps the wheels fixed during the measurement process. Place the SharkEye laser head gauge onto the front tyres. Adjust the height of the gauge according to the tyre size. Set the rim buttons carefully. Make sure the top rim button is touching the rim and positioned at the very top of the rim. The two side rim buttons must also touch the rim and should sit at approximately 70% height of the rim. Ensure the gauge is firm, centred and not tilted. Now place the rear flags onto the rear wheels. Make sure the flags are mounted straight and clearly visible to the front laser gauges. They should be stable and not wobbling. Switch on the laser gauges. Allow a few seconds for the lasers to stabilise and project clearly onto the toe scales and rear flags. Observe the laser lines carefully on the toe scales and the rear flags. These laser positions represent your current wheel alignment angles. Open the SharkEye AppEye. Enter the observed reading angles into the pre-alignment section and input the customer and vehicle details before starting the adjustment. Now begin the wheel alignment process. Use the appropriate tools and adjust the vehicle's alignment as required while continuously monitoring the laser positions. Once the alignment adjustments are complete, observe the new laser positions and enter these values into the post-alignment section of the SharkEye AppEye. Carefully verify all the post-alignment readings in the app to ensure accuracy before finalising the report. Print professional reports for your customers to give them complete assurance and transparency of the wheel alignment work performed. With SharkEye, accurate measurement, guided setup, and instant reporting come together in one seamless system. Deliver precise alignments, build customer trust, and present your work with confidence using SharkEye. Thank you for watching.